Hello dear students, welcome back in today's mathematics class. Student, in today's class we are doing exercise 9.5 and in this exercise what question we'll do, that is we'll do on the basis of identities. Because in this chapter algebraic expression and its identities, we have done algebraic expression one part. We have done algebraic expression in addition, in subtraction, in multiplication. Now coming to our next topic, that is identities. So basically students, what are identities? Basically the formulas, the properties, the proved formulas are called the identities. Okay, so four very important identities we'll do in this exercise. So please understand it carefully because it's very important. Right students? So let's start. The very first identity we have in this exercise is a plus b whole square. So the formula for this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now you will say how it is. Student, it will come in the form of means a plus b whole square. Means in the place of a, it can be anything. It can be 4 by 3, it can be 4, it can be 3 by 2, whatever thing. This a, b is a variable. So in the place of variable, whatever term can be. Okay, this is formation a plus b whole square. So this is a plus b whole square. Right? So the formula would be a square plus b square plus 2ab. The second identity is if in the place of a there will be b, means a minus b whole square. In the place of plus there will be minus. So what will be the formula? A square plus b square. It will remain as it is. Plus 2ab will convert into minus 2ab. That's it. Right student? Now coming to our third identity, which is very important, that is x plus a and x plus b. Means the very first term x will be remain same, a plus b can be anything, right? So it will be x square plus a plus b bracket x plus ab. So for this is the formula. Now what type of question will come in this? For example, 501 into 502. Fine. The very first solution you will multiply and get the answer. But if you have a knowledge of the identities, you can split this term 500 plus 1 and this 500 plus 2. Right? X plus a, x plus b means x is same and ab is different. So the formula will be x square, that is 500 square, plus a plus b, 1 plus 2 into x, that is 500, plus ab, that is 1 into 2. So it's very simple calculation. After using the identity, the calculation become very easy. Right student? When we will do the exercise question, then more you will get, but the question, the formula will be using in this manner. Right student? This is the third identity. The last identity we have a plus b, a minus b. Means same term, ab, ab. Means whatever value will be 4 plus 3, 4 minus 3. If the ab value is same but different sign plus and minus, then formula will be a square minus b square. A square plus minus b square. Right student? I hope you got these identities. Okay, and these four identities, before starting this exercise, you must write in your notebook and you must learn it also. Right student? So on the basis of these identities only, we have exercise 9.5. I hope you understood these identities. So let's start the questions. Now student, coming to our question number 1, use a suitable identity and solve the product. Suitable identity. It is mentioned that you use the identity only. So see student, x plus 3, x plus 3. How many times? Both terms are same. So it has come 2 times. So you can write x plus 3 ka square. Right? X plus 3 square is x plus 3 2 times. So it become a plus b ka whole square. So it become a plus b ka whole square. So the formula is, you can write also in this, a is equals to x and b is equals to 3. Right? So the formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So where is a square? A square means x square plus b square means 3 ka square plus 2ab. So 2ab. Simply formula you need to put and just put the values and get the answer. X ka square is x square only, plus 3 3s are 9 plus 3 2s are 6x. So this is the answer. The multiplication is just same that we have done in our previous exercise. But here we will use the identities only. Right, student? Now coming to second part. 6x plus 7, 6x minus 7. It means a is same and b is also same, 7. But sign is different. Here is plus, here is minus. And here both the signs are same. But here signs are different. So it is a plus b and a minus b. So this formula is a square minus b square. Right? So simply a is 6x square. B is 7 ka square. So that's it. A plus b, a minus b. Formula is a square minus b square. So the answer is 6 6 are 36. X square minus 7 7 are 49. So this is the answer. Very simple, student. Just directly put the identity and get the answer. And when you will open this bracket, no, at last you will get this answer only. Because this plus and minus, two terms will cancel out. Only these two terms will remain. So this is the shortcut you can say. Okay. In junior classes, we used to multiply with each and every term. Here, in senior classes, now here we have identities to shortcut method to solve such type of question. Right, student? So this is all about second part. Now coming to our next part. Now coming to our third part of question number 1 only. A square plus b square. It is minus a square plus b square. If question is mentioned using identity, it means you have to use any of the identity amongst 4. Okay. So which identity is making? As you can see, it is a square plus b square. Both the terms are in addition. So can I write b square plus a square? Again both signs are same only, addition ka. But here b square is addition, right? A square is in subtraction. Can I rearrange? I have rearranged the term. Rearrange matlab, student, shuffle the term, but the value remains same. A ka sign minus hai, so here also A ka sign only minus is there. And B ka plus hai, here is B is plus only. So now see, A square plus B square, A square minus B square. Don't see B square is there. Formula A square, matlab both places terms are same. Here is B square, here is B square, here is A square, but sign are different, plus and minus. So the formula is A plus B, A minus B. Yes, this is A, this is B, this is A, this is B is equals to A square minus B square. Right? But here in the equation A की place पे क्या है आपके पास B square and B की place पे क्या है आपके पास A square. So put the formula A square minus B square का. A square that is B square का. A square minus B square. Whatever value is B, उसका square. Right, student? I hope you got whatever will be the value doesn't matter. You just using the identity into the equation. Right? So A plus B, A minus B. Formula is A square minus B square. And always you have to mention the identity in the rougher. Always. Okay? So solve it. B square square, B raised to power 4 minus A raised to power 4. Because 2 2s are 4. Right? They are going to multiply with each other. So 2 2s are 4 minus A 2 2s are 4. So B4 minus A4 is answer. That's it, student. So this is our third part. Now coming to our next part. Here is 3a, 3a. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. मतलब a value is also same and b value is also same. Coming to sign. Here is minus, here is also minus. The same term two times. So the term will be a minus b ka whole square. Two times it has come. Now a minus b ka whole square formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So put it. A is a square minus 2ab then plus b square, that is 1 by 2 ka square. Right students? Now solve it. 3 3s are 9, a square. 2's cancel by this 2 because it is numerator denominator multiplication sign. So it is minus 3a and plus 1 by 4. That's it. This is the answer. This multiplication division we have done in previous exercises. Here only we have to use identity and you have to solve. I hope student you got this question. Okay. So this is all about 4 parts of question number 1. The last 2 parts, that is in 10th part. These 2 parts are homework for you student. You will try it by your own. Okay student. So this is all about question number 1. Now coming to our next question. Student, in question number 2, use the identity means already it is mentioned that you will use this one identity. So it's very simple. There is no need to think only amongst 4 entities which you have to use, because it is mentioned that you have to use this identity only. X plus a, x plus b is equals to this formula. So let's start. A part, x plus a, x plus b. See, this part is same and a, b part is different, right? You have to identify also, so that in future, in later questions, you can understand. Right student? Although in this, it is mentioned you have to use this identity only. But similarly, at the same time, you have to see also and how we have to check. Right student? So this is, you can write also that a part is 3 and b part is 7. So formula is x square and x part is x only here. Right student? So x square plus a plus bx, a plus b bracket x plus ab. So that is a into b. Right student? So let's start. X square plus 7, 8, 9, 10, 10x plus 7 3s are 21. That's it student. This is the answer. Coming to b part. X is same, that is 2a square. In the place of a there is 9 and in the place of b there is 5. For the convenience you can write according to formula but place resembling which term. That's it. Now putting into the formula. X square means 2a square plus a plus b. A is 9 plus b bracket x. X की place पे 2a square plus a into b. So 9 into 5. Right student? I hope you got. This is just formula. You have to put the terms, respective terms. That's it. So now solution. 2 2s are 4. 4a square, because student 2a into 2a. 2 2s are 4, a into a square. Like in the previous exercises we have done. Fine. 4a square plus 9 plus 5, 14. 14 into 2, because bracket के बाहर है तो multiply हो रहा है. 14 into 2, 28 a square plus 9 5s are 45. That's it. It is very simple because formula is already given to you. You have to use this only. That's it. So student, these 2 parts you will do by your own. This is homework for you, because when you will do practice, then only understand the identity. Right student? Only 2 parts you will do by your own. There is also x is 4x, a is 5, b is minus 1, because one sign is minus only. उसके आगे वाला sign हमेशा उसका होता है. So b is minus 1. Understood? So in the same manner here, x is 2x, a is 5y, b is 3y. Put into the value, get the answer. Very simple. So this is all about our question number 2. Now coming to our next question. Coming to our question number 3. Again on the basis of identities, find the following squares using identity. It means squares means a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square. So squares are given to you. It means it's simply putting the value of either a plus b whole square formula or a minus b whole square formula. That's it. Okay. So let's start. It is a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And where a is b and b is equals to 7. Means according to question, a value is b only and b value is 7. Now put into the value a square minus 2a value is b plus b square, that is 7 square. Right, student? Have to be vigilant while putting the terms. Right, now calculation. B square is b square only minus 7 2s are 14b plus 7 7s are 49. Very simple, student. B part, again a plus b whole square. So directly I am doing here a square, this is a and this is b. A square plus 2ab plus b square, that is 3z ka square. Now calculation, x square y square, because this is xy ka whole square. So x will multiply with 2 and y will also multiply with 2. So x square y square plus 3 2s are 6, x y z, constant multiply with constant, variable with variable, plus 3 3s are 9 z square, because 3z into 3z. You can split also or you can directly multiply also. Totally up to you. So very simple. These are just amazing questions. While solving you feel very good. They are very simple. Right, students? So this is second part. Now third part. You have in fraction. But method is same. This is a and this is b. A plus b whole square. So a square with variable, student. Don't forget to write down the variable. Plus b square plus 2a 2 by 3m into b 3 by 2m plus 2ab. Simplify. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, m square, because 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, m into m square, plus 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, n square, plus, now see, 3 with cut with 3, 2 with cut with 2. Cross. They are numerator denominator. So answer is 2mn. These all things we already have done in our previous exercise. Here we are just using, here we are just putting into the question. So this is all about our question number 3. Very simple, student. Right? So question number 4th and 5th part. These two parts you will do. You will practice, student. Please do practice for this question, because these identities are very important. And without practice, you are not going to understand. Okay? So this is all about our question number 3. Now coming to our next question. Coming to our question number 4. Again, simplify. Simplify means you have to solve. Okay? You have to solve. Either you will use identity or not, but you need to solve the question. But student, we are using identity in this exercise. So you have to use the required identity as per the given question. Right, student? So let's start. Question number 1. A square minus b. You can say means a minus b ka whole square. In the place of a, whatever term it can be, but it is a minus b ka whole square. A minus b ka whole square. Formula will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. Again and again same identity. Okay. In the place of a, this is a square. In the place of b, there is b square. Value can be anything, but formula is this only. So it means a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is b square. Right, student? Now a raised to power 4 minus 2a square b square plus b raised to power 4. That's it. If you know the identity, the question becomes very simple. Now coming to our b part. again we have a plus b ka whole square, and this is one term, this is another term. A plus b ka whole square, and here is a minus b ka whole square. In one question only two identities are using. So what you will use? So write down directly. I am doing a square plus b square. It is plus 2ab plus 2ab, because this is a and this is b, right? Minus, now this is another term, it is a minus b ka whole square. So a square plus a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is 5 ka square. I hope you got. And why I have put square bracket? Because there is negative sign outside. So sign will change afterwards. Right, student? So see, 2 2s are 4x square plus 5 5s are 25 plus 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20x. Now minus 2 2s are 4x square minus 5 to 10, 20x plus 25. Now outside the bracket, open the bracket. This term remain as it is only, and this will be minus 4x square minus minus plus 20x plus minus 25. Now solve it. This is plus 25 minus 25 plus 20x plus 20x, fine. Plus 4x square minus 4x square. Cancel. So the answer is 40x. Right, student? Very simple question. Here is just solution things only. Right, student? I hope you got. In the same question two formulas we have put. And we have just simplified. We have just solved only. So these are two parts of question number 4. Now coming to our next part. Now student, one more part I am doing from the same question for the better understanding. But it's your practice only. You have to learn the identity and use into the formula. Right? AB plus BC means this is A plus B ka whole square, and this is no identity we have to put, because this is a single term only, right? So this is A plus B ka whole square, and this is A term and this is B term. First of all, you just write down this thing, so afterwards it will be very easy to use it into the formula, right? A plus B ka whole square, formula is A square plus B square plus 2ab, 2ab, and this term as it is only minus 2ab square c, because it's a single term only, right? Now solution, ab's whole square, a square b square plus b square c square plus it is 2ab into b square c minus 2ab square c. Simplification, it is plus, it is minus, same term. Plus minus minus 0. So answer is a square b square plus b square c square. So student, questions are very simple. Just you have to do the practice. Okay. So this part I am giving you as a homework. This you will solve by your own. So student, that's all for today's class, because in this exercise we have 8 questions and all questions are based on the identity only. So I have divided this exercise into 2 parts. Okay. So in next part we will do the further question. Okay. So that's all for today's class. I hope you have learned the identity, how to put into the questions. And please do the practice, then only you will understand the identities. Okay. So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye students, and take care.